to model this out, I started to look at some of our sessions, and we started to assign conversion probability to those sessions. This is a report you can run in GA4, right? And we started to plot this, and this is a very bad drawing because I am not an artist. But you can see all of these sessions and the conversion probability, and the vast majority have low conversion probability. And then we've got some of these green and blue dots flicked in here, if you can see that. Those are Google conversions and Facebook conversions, with Google getting green and Facebook Meta getting blue. So you can see here that sometimes a low conversion probability session turns into a sale. Sometimes a high conversion probability session does not. It's pretty much how probability works. So if we start to look at this and we say, okay, through the lens of this attribution thing, well, this doesn't make a whole lot of sense. You know, we're not sure what we're actually getting. And how do we connect this together? Well, we do some actual incrementality testing, and we start to figure out, okay, well, of these conversions, and there's about 50 in, there's about 100 in here total. What attribution would say, based on this, is this. 50 of these conversions, Google gets the credit. 50 of these conversions, Meta gets the credit, and there are 100 total. So of the 100 conversions, marketing gets credit for all of them, and Google and Meta basically effectively actually split. Google marketers are happy, Facebook marketers are happy, the CFO and the CMO might not be happy, because they're going to come back and say, well, what is the actual impact of this? Or more specifically, where should I put my next dollar? You're not telling me. You're telling me that Google got 50 conversions, Meta got 50 conversions. They both, according to this multi-touch attribution thing, get credit. So you, the smart marketer, comes back and you say, well, we're gonna run some holdout tests. We're gonna figure out the incrementality. There are lots of ways to do this. There are, Meta has a media mix model called Robin that is free to download. You can run it. It doesn't take a data scientist to do it. It's great. But if you don't have that kind of time, you can get down and dirty and do some more and do it later. But what incrementality might say about this same data set is of the 100 conversions, same 100 conversions, same data set. 26 of those conversions belong to Google. 13 of those belong to Meta.